Smart solutions for the customer and benefits for the bank. That's the promise of the platform to be launched this spring to Idea Bank's client base of 200,000 SMEs in Poland. My name is Steve Sutton. This is my colleague Andrew Szewczuk from Efficience.
Let's go through a few statistics to give you an idea about our background in Poland. The first fact, 70% of all issued invoices are not paid on time. The second fact, considering ease of paying taxes, we are in 113th position.
It's true, we do have bureaucracy in Poland, as I'm sure many of you do too. But this can sometimes be an incentive to innovate. And today, we'll be demonstrating a few of the 12 innovative elements on our platform which make running your business so much easier. The way that it helps with invoicing, factoring, credit control and cash flow management makes the system unique, not only in Poland, but in the rest of the world right now.
Listen, I just checked our account, we have some cash, and look, this chart shows us income and spending, past and future. And look, one of our invoices is due to be paid tomorrow, so our cash flow is very healthy. But I know the way how to make it even healthier in the long term. Electric cars. We are in London. The Tesla motor dealer is just around the corner. Why don't we go back from Finovate with 2S version Tesla cars? Let's make it happen.
Andrew, I hate to contradict you, but this is not our real cash flow.
How's that? Does it include all issued invoices as well as their payment deadlines?
Yes, it does, but the invoice you mentioned, we both know this customer very well, and they're one of the 70%. They don't pay on time. Your calculations are a classic example of false cash flow or wishful thinking cash flow. If we turn on the estimations mode, we'll see that the real situation is not as healthy as we thought, and in fact, we may even be in the red.
So what you are saying is that the cash flow based on our actual data is less credible than the cash flow based on our algorithm predictions.
Exactly. It works like a crystal ball, allowing us to see the financial future of our company.
Yes, I can see myself in my crystal ball driving a brand new electric car.
Okay, but back to reality, back to the system. It tracks our previous dealings with customers. It knows that this customer is likely to pay, let's say, a week late, and this is all factored in to the analysis. So, sorry, but a trip to the Tesla dealer is out of the question.
Actually, that's not true. Look at this. Can you see this button above the cash flow line? Click it, and our all-in-one banking platform will offer us some solutions. The first, factoring. We can instruct Idea Bank to provide us factoring services for one invoice or all factoring invoices. Another, instant loans. Within seconds, our account can be credited by a pre-agreed amount to help us get through a difficult period. So it works both ways. Business intelligence and smart solutions for the customer, and a great opportunity for upselling for the bank.
Smart solutions indeed, but we've only had our account in Idea Bank for 4 months, and we simply don't have a good enough credit rating for a loan for a Tesla car.
It doesn't matter that we've been Idea Bank customers only for months, when the bank can access the whole history of our account in other banks. 1/3 of loans given by Idea Bank uses automatic credit scoring process. It's easier and cheaper for the bank, and they can offer us high loan because they know us. Let me log in, just for an example, to our previous bank, and the system starts analyzing our data from our previous account. It could take a few moments, but the bar at the top shows us the progress.
And actually, our situation may not be quite as bad as we first thought. Andrew, it seems you forgot to issue invoices to 3 of our regular clients. Luckily, the system picks up on this. It asks us if we would like to issue these invoices as we usually do. The invoices can be filled in, the system does it by itself, and with one click, they can be sent to the appropriate customers.
Turbo invoicing is the name of this very nice function. Unfortunately, there is a downside. We have also this Turbo Payments tool as well, which tracks all the payments we make each month and enables me to pay one, some, or all of them with just one click using this orange box.
Easy come, easy go. What's more important for you, the loan for the Tesla car that you dreamed about has been approved, and using instant loans, we could find the funds in our account within a minute or two. So to sum up what we have so far, it's a private cloud-based, all-in-one system that tracks real cash flow, not false cash flow. We have simple and accessible features, such as invoicing, instant loans, factoring, and other credit-controlled services that can be upsold by the bank at a targeted time. Using screen scraping and data aggregation technologies, then we're helping to break down some of the barriers to banking. And as we've just seen, the system can track invoices issued or not issued, spendings, and can even calculate taxes in the background. If you have a question about taxes and you'd like to talk to a video consultant from the bank, this is possible too.
Right now, I'm calling a tax consultant to convince you that an electric car is a great idea.
It's another smart solution for the customer. For the bank, it can be sold as part of a premium package or used as an opportunity for upselling.
Dzień dobry, nazywam się Anna Nowak. Czym mogę pomóc?
Good afternoon. Could we have this video chat in English, please? There are 1 or 2 people with me in the room.
No problem. How can I help you?
Thank you for speaking a little quieter. We're thinking about buying 1 or 2 electric cars, and we're keen to know the tax breaks available to us. We are a little bit tied up at the moment, but if we send you a link to the dealer's offer, do you think you could possibly mail us some information?
Yes, of course. The bank also has a special insurance package for electric cars. I can prepare that too.
Could you hold on for a second, please? We just need to say goodbye to a few guests.
We've only had the time today to show you a few of the innovative elements on our platform. If you'd like to see more, you'd be most welcome at our stand. It's in the far right corner of the hall. And if you like how we're changing the way of thinking in the business banking sector, then please vote Efficience and Idea Bank on your voting cards.
Thank you.
Thank you.